Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the C.V. Raman. Number 1. C.V. Raman was an Indian physicist. Number 2. He was born on 7th November 1888. Number 3. He discovered the Raman effect. Number 4. His full name is Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. Number 5. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. Number 6. He was the first Asian to receive a Nobel Prize in Science. Number 7. He was a professor at the University of Calcutta. Number 8. He established the Raman Research Institute in Bangalore. Number 9. He received the Bharat Ratna in 1954. Number 10. His work laid the foundation for Raman spectroscopy. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.